10.
First at 6, bond denied for a former Camden Military Academy Dean of Students.
A judge deciding today that 54-year-old John Heflin will remain behind bars while he awaits trial. He was indicted by a grand jury in August after being charged with multiple sex crimes involving underage students. He also just recently was suspended from his seat as a town council member in Bethune through an order issued by the governor. Our Naomi Popa sat in that courtroom today as the judge heard his attorney's plea. Naomi, what do you have?
Judy, Hannah, John Heflin had strong support in this courtroom today. Most of those seats filled by people that knew him or had good things to say about him. They even had 3 character witnesses speak in favor of him being granted bond. A judge, though, ultimately deciding against that and denying that bond. Now, he's facing very serious charges, but in addition to that, he's also being sued. Those lawsuits alleging that Heflin engaged in sexually hostile conversations and offered one student sex acts and alcohol. In court, his attorney argued that Heflin was a well-known member of the Bethune community and that he was granted bond on other charges last year. Now, a former sister-in-law broke down crying before the judge, saying Heflin's good services didn't end when he was incarcerated, that he continues to send cards and well wishes to people in the community who are going through a hard time. One former student spoke as well, even going as far as saying he wouldn't be the person he was today without Heflin. The prosecution, however, went into graphic detail of the allegations against him and said he was a danger to this community.
Still reaching out beyond the bars. No one's perfect, but all I can say, the man that he has become is not the man that these charges are for.
It is not a child's wish to go to the beach to be raped, Your Honor. And that was what was happening with Mr. Heflin. He was grooming these children, and as they were called in the Camden Military Academy, I wasn't going to go into law facts, but they were called Hef's boys.
Heflin's attorney also argued it's difficult to go over this case and prepare Heflin for trial, being confined to the small space that they have where Heflin is being detained. Prosecutors say there are currently 3 victims. They say they are investigating allegations from 4 more potential victims, with allegations stemming from the years 2014 to 2022. They say Heflin was in a position of authority, that he took advantage of the students and even threatened their education. Now, the judge ultimately denying bond, saying that in most cases, individuals who face similar charges and are found guilty or similar, that they live alone, that they're well acquainted with their victims, that they're in the community, and that they even attend church. Reporting live here in Kershaw County, I'm Naomi Popa, WIS News 10.
Naomi, thank you. Now, Heflin, according to his attorney, was employed at Camden Military Academy from 2005 through 2024.